and I'm contacting you because someone at your business either gave me your email or I received a message that said I can send emails to your email address. This will be quick, and I am a artificial intelligence architect. I'm reaching out, and let's just cut to the chase. You are ranking really high on Google. That's how I found you. Here are the search results for electricians in Seattle. And you've mastered the business acumen to get yourself at the top of Google rankings. And it's really clear that you understand the value of this. But now artificial intelligence and large language models are changing the game completely. So it's no longer just about keywords, it's about understanding the language of AI. So being an artificial intelligence architect, I can tell you that with generative engine optimization, you're going to be leading the space where most people are barely beginning to understand what it even means to be competitive in the AI landscape. So you wouldn't just be keeping up, you'd be setting the pace. And my expertise in AI is the edge that you can have in making sure that your business stands out, not just anywhere, not just on Google, not just on ChatGPT, but where it counts. So I can show you here. This is the changing trend of how people are searching for things. Google is here in the green. So for the last few years, for the last many years, we all know that Google has been the biggest player. You can see ChatGPT is starting to be more of a thing. And then if we remove Google, you can see that people are also starting to look on Perplexity. So then and ChatGPT, and then if I take away ChatGPT, you can see that people are searching on Claude and Perplexity. So these are all AI search engines. Basically, they disrupt the way that Google has been letting people find your business in the past. Here on the left-hand side of my screen is an example of the ChatGPT results when I looked up electricians in Seattle. And these companies, Mirsky, Exact, Brennan, and Eco Electric and Plumbing, are coming up in both ChatGPT and Google. However, they did not come up on the Claude searches. They didn't come up in the Perplexity searches, right? So what I'm here to do is to make sure that you show up in all these search engines. And if you are able to read here in this ChatGPT explanation, they are not even considering live websites right now. They have a database where there were some businesses that made it into their search results and many did not. There are ways to get yourself ranked in these types of LLMs or these search engines so that as the digital landscape evolves, you're still far ahead of the game. And that's why I reach out to you, because as I said, you clearly understand, based on these results, the value of being at the top of the search results, because everybody knows that the top few businesses get 70% of all of the calls and all of the business. And what I want to do is bring to you this opportunity. I'm not going to do this for very long. I'm looking for one company in each city that wants to rank at the top. I'm focusing on electricians and concrete companies and tattoo shops. I can send you other videos. I will send you other videos in this same email if you're interested, so you can see the proof is in the pudding. And you can make the decision. Are you going to opt in to secure your seat at the AI search engine table? It is now generative engine optimization. It is no longer just search engine optimization. I am currently working in the AI space as an AI engineer, AI architect, and there is a shortage of us, and there are lots of government stipulations that are making it harder and harder for people to be able to use this kind of technology to help themselves. So because I care about my neighborhood too, and because I care about small businesses, I am doing what I can to help businesses that already understand what it means to thrive and to be pioneers, the ones that get to continue playing in the game. So the AI space is not about the biggest name or the person with the most money in a advertisement. These engines over here, like Perplexity and Claude, don't even let advertisements through, and this one might use Yelp. But again, this is all science that I am perfecting and have perfected and have proof of. I will only take one player in each city because I will, of course, make sure that I give my all to the one person that the one company that signs up. My name is Elsa Velasquez. The email includes my LinkedIn. You can look me up there. And please feel free to message me. It's easier for me to answer if you text. And again, I'm just hoping that you secure your spot before all of us AI agencies are booked with other calls, other jobs, for getting paid well. This is something that I just want to do because I care about small business. Hope you have a great day, and please do consider getting back to me quickly because the landscape is evolving exponentially. It's moving so quickly, and I think you guys provide probably one of the most valuable services. I was an electronics tech in the Navy, and my dad was an employee at the electric company. He was a janitor, but I grew up reading, electricity schematics and such. So this is just something I care about personally. Have a great day.